I have been trading for over 10 years now. I started with manual trading, after that I specialized in algorithmic trading, now I have combined the two. In this lecture I want to give you a general idea about the differences between manual and algorithmic trading. Later in this course you will see it practically as I demonstrate how the strategies work for manual and algorithmic trading. Now, when can you trade manually? You need to follow the charts very carefully. Depending on what strategy you will be using while trading, you need to have the indicators on the chart and wait for the right moment. The positive side of manual trading is that we have full control over the trade. You decide when to open and close it. You can also combine some technical or fundamental analysis with a strategy to help choose which asset to trade at the specific moment. The negative side of manual trading is the beginners may let their emotions get in the way. People feel anxiety when they are profiting because they do not want to lose that profit. Sometimes they hurry to close the trades too early. Some feel greed, and after a couple of profitable trades, they open huge positions that their accounts cannot handle and they lose it all. Or when people are at a loss, they tend to hope that the market will recover and refuse to accept that they made the wrong decision. Sometimes these losses become bigger ones. One of the ways to avoid having your emotions involved in trading is to use precise strategies. This is exactly what I will show you in this course. This means that we will follow rules to enter and exit the positions. We will use stop loss and take profit, so there will be no doubt if we should close the position or not. However, some traders still can't resist putting emotions in with their predefined strategies, and this makes them lose. The solution is algorithmic trading. From my experience with the thousands of students in my courses, I believe algorithmic trading is more suitable to the beginner trader because it removes the emotions. When trading with expert advisors, the trader does nothing manually. The experts open and close the trades while following the rules for the strategy 100% of the time. There is no emotion to interfere with it. Another positive thing about algorithmic trading is that the experts trade all the time. They trade 24 hours a day, Monday through Friday. This is something that is impossible for humans to do. We cannot trade effectively for more than 8-10 hours. Additionally, when humans trade, we can trade 2-3 strategies at a time. I believe the maximum is 5 strategies we can trade at once, and that is why I selected this number for the course. When we do algorithmic trading, we can trade dozens of strategies simultaneously in one trading account. Please don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that you have to do algorithmic trading. I'm just sharing my experience in hopes of making your choice easier. In this course, I will show you how to trade with these strategies both manually and algorithmically with the expert advisors. If you are hesitating, try both ways and see which one works best for you. For me, as a professional trader, I need to have expert advisors for every strategy. This is so I can make a backtest, see how it performed during the last several years, analyze it, and I can run some robustness tests. This is something I do for all my strategies. In this course, I will show you how I do it.